Good night, St. Lucia. How you feeling? Self-seated. Call formula. Since I made this formula, everyone I encounter asking for my number. Politicians, calypsonians, with all kinds of conditions, want help with their situation. They feel I found a cure for everyone who's insecure. Some want longevity, others want prosperity, but they find it going rough, 'cause this formula I have is just for call. This ASP call up to ask me, I had to say, Philip, I'm sorry. My little formula can make you commissioner. Just a couple Panadol, a fake or sol, petit poil shot, and Bevan Lache, what is just for call, Mr. ASP, just for call. My little formula, you must believe, mister, it's just for call. Oh! Oh, I tell them they want to know, you know. Cup formula. They don't want to believe me. Some want me to break the law. Wants my little formula to make them young and strong. Some people in high office expose their little business. Now want a long dinner. They cannot stand the joke from little ordinary folks. Now they're getting real upset. This thing have no pink and wet, but this time I've had enough. My little formula is just for call. This minister called up to ask me. I had to say sorry, I'm sorry. My little formula can make you any bigger. Just a couple Panadol, a fake or sol, petit poil shot, and Bevan Lache, what is just for call, Mr. Minister, just for call. My little formula, you must believe, mister, it's just for call. I tell them, all I done. Cup formula, cup formula. Boy, I tell them they're not understanding, you know. This thing causing real trouble in this calypso cycle. All want to be the winner. Some believe my formula can make them perform better. Even the mighty spoiler, he afraid to lose his crown. In my backyard, he hanging around. I want to make this clear. Got some more pop yesterday. This time I've had enough. for God. Mighty spoiler, just for God. My little formula, you must believe spoiler is just for God.